Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing an organizational video. I don't think I've ever filmed one of these, but I'm really excited about it. So if you guys do enjoy it, definitely thumbs up and I will film a lot more of these. And for today's video, I'm focusing on the closet right behind me. Now I don't have a walk-in yet at this point in life, hopefully one day. So I do use a few closets in the house, but this one is definitely the one I use on an everyday basis for just like staple items. And I knew I was going to film this video, so it has gotten way out of control. It really needs to be done. And the focus of this video, of course, is like reorganizing, showing what works for me, but also how to get the most out of the space. I know a lot of you guys have small spaces, so I'm going to show you how to make it as functional as possible. And definitely check out the links down below. I'm going to link a bunch of essentials I think you guys would enjoy. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let's get started. So my husband actually made these doors. I figured I would get some questions about it, so I just wanted to mention that. I've never seen anything that's available online that is like this, so I really wanted him to make them. I'm always scrolling through Pinterest and looking for like home ideas and how to make things, so that is how I figured it out. But if you guys want like step-by-step idea of how to do this, then I will do that in a vlog. Just let me know. So as you can see, there really is not structure whatsoever to this. It's just random things hanging everywhere. I have shelves in there that are really messy, that aren't like straightened and organized. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull everything out of there, and I'm going to go through everything and see what I want to keep, what I want to donate, what I want to have friends go through. While I'm pulling everything out of here, I'm going to make 3 piles. So there's going to be one for things I definitely want to keep, one for things I definitely want to get rid of, and then one for things I'm not sure about. Here is where we're at so far. This is a lot more stuff than I was expecting, and this is everything I want to hold on to so far. Here is everything I want to get rid of. I thought these were extremely cute a few years ago. Now I'm over them. I feel like they're almost like sun faded, so those definitely have to go. A few more things that remember when this was really in. I feel like this is kind of, it's in the past, and I just have like stained things that I liked but I wanted to hold on to, and there's no reason to hold on to them. So yeah, this pile isn't as big as the keep pile, but definitely has a lot of stuff in it. I'm going to show you guys the top shelf in an overlay. I'm still pulling everything out and I haven't been able to reach it, so I don't even know what's up there. I never use it, but I feel like I've been my own worst enemy because an easy fix is just a step stool. I finally bought one, and this one folds up so it doesn't take up a lot of space at all. I'm just really excited because it's going to give me a lot more space, a lot more functional space I can use on a daily basis, and this was all I needed. So if you have a similar problem, then don't be your own worst enemy. Just pick one up when you're out. So I found this wall filer the other day at HomeGoods, and I had a really good idea to put this inside of the closet, and I'm going to put socks in the bottom pocket, and then I'm going to hang a few things on the outside of it with hangers. So I cannot be the only person who does this. This might sound really weird and random, but if I have worn something for a few hours, I will wear it again before washing it, but I don't want to put it away with everything that's clean, and I don't want to put it in a dirty hamper. So for those items, I will just like have them sitting on the dresser. I will have them on a chair, on the edge of the bed, the floor. I will put them pretty much anywhere except where they need to go, and it drives my husband crazy, so I found the perfect solution to just hang them off of this wall filer. They are put away and they are out of sight and out of mind, but they aren't somewhere I don't want them to be, so hopefully that will help some of you guys too. I'm going to start putting everything back in now and separating into different sections, but I wanted to share with you guys the hangers that I use, which are black felt hangers. Realistically, I would choose like a nude or something different than black, but I feel like it's so easy to find black. I bought these hangers from HomeGoods, from Costco, from Target, a bunch of different stores. I can always find them, so that's why I use black, and definitely recommend them because then you can keep everything the same so easily. I've gotten started a little. I figured out all of the sections and I'm just going to give you guys a little rundown of how I'm doing everything. So I thought that pants I should keep on the shelf because it just seems like a waste of hanging space. It's not something that I feel really needs to be hung up. And in the first corner, I'm going to keep all of the bodysuits as well as tank tops that are just extremely basic. I haven't put any up there yet. I'm going to have flowy tank tops in the next section. I'm going to put all of the t-shirts for every day, just like simple t-shirts, in the center section. The next one is going to be flowy tops, and then I'm going to have all of the long sleeves in the next one. Down here is where all of the sweaters are going to go. I'm going to keep this first row just open. I think that'd be really good for planning out like future outfits or for anything that I need really quickly. If I'm planning outfits for like a trip, something like that, I just want to put all of those there. And then over here are the dresses. I used to have those up top, but they would hit the shelf and it was just like such a waste because I couldn't put anything here. So if they are extremely long, I have them folded over, like on the first one you can see, but it actually fits there extremely well. There isn't really anything hitting the ground. And then I have a lot of rompers over here. And the last one is swimsuit cover-ups. I know I don't really need swimsuit cover-ups in February, but whenever I put those in storage, I can never find them. So I'm just going to keep those there. Another update for you. It definitely is filling out and it's just way more full than I was expecting at this point. So worst comes to worst, one of these sections I will store in one of the other closets, but here is where we're at so far. There are a lot of people who like to do their entire wardrobe from light to dark, but I find when I'm getting ready in the morning, I'm either searching for a basic tank, a flowy tank, a basic top, a flowy top, and things like that. So I like to do this specific sections from light to dark, but if I did the entire thing that way, I would never be able to find anything. It's starting to get dark, so sorry for the lighting change, but I'm going to move to the very top shelf, and I'm going to store things up there I don't actually have to use on an everyday basis, like swimsuits and belts and sweatshirts, and I'm going to put them in these baskets. I also like to leave a little room on the top shelf for sentimental things that I don't want to store with everything downstairs. So first is my baby blanket. These shoes were Chad's when he was a baby. Tell me that is not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life. So yeah, I'm just going to put those on the top shelf in the far corner. I'm going to end the video here. I'm done with all the tips and tricks and all the different sections. The only thing I have to do is put away laundry, and of course that's not very exciting for you guys to watch. So I hope that you enjoyed this and found some good inspo. If you did, please be sure to subscribe and thumbs up. Also make sure to click on the bell so you never miss an upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!